Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have some goodies from Beanies Best. So I have received a satin pillowcases, 2 of them, and also a satin bonnet, which I absolutely love from this brand. But I got some new goodies today. So we are going to unbox them together. Okay, so let's see what's in box number 1. We got a beanie with the Beanies Best logo on it. Completely satin lined, so it won't dry out your hair. And it's super cute, so let's put her on. Absolutely love this cute satin lined beanie. Super comfortable, stretchy, so there's plenty of room. Super cute, and I love this cream color. Let's see what's in box number 2. Okay, now in box number 2, we have some new satin pillowcases. Comes in a set of 2. Satin pillowcases. It has the zipper on the side. So just zip it down, stick your pillow inside. So when you have this on your pillow, you don't even have to worry about a bonnet. So it comes in a set of 2. And these are perfect gifts for the holiday, for a birthday, for a just because. Their products are very high quality. Definitely recommend them. I will put links to all of this in the description box, so make sure you check it out. And once we're done with this 3rd box, I'm going to show you what else they have. Okay, box number 3. Box number 3 is another hat. It's in black, also comes with the logo. Super cute. These hats are very stretchy, thick material, so they will definitely keep your head warm. And the inside is, of course, satin lined. Perfect for the winter. This one you can kind of wear like this. You can also fold this one up. Then the logo is there. So a lot of different ways you can style these hats. Absolutely love it. Let me know in the comment section which hat is your favorite, the cream one or this black one. I'm absolutely loving them both. Okay, so they offer a variety of satin sleeve caps. They come in different sizes. They have the slouch satin line cap. They have a reversible satin bonnet. They have the double layer satin bonnet. The long tail satin bonnet if you're in protective styles or if you have a lot of hair. So they have tons of options for different bonnets. They also offer heatless curlers. So as you can see here, they have the heatless overnight blowout curling band rods and then the heatless velvet curlers set. And then they have these satin butter pillowcases, which come in a 2-pack, and they come in these different varieties. They also offer waterproof shower caps that come in these different varieties. They also have some hair products. So they have a shampoo and conditioner, and they have some hair oils, which I have not tried yet, but I definitely will be checking them out. They also have some satin scrunchies, which I absolutely love. And they also have some hair clips, claw clips, hair clips, different variety. We'll link their website down below, so make sure that you check it out in the description box. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this brand. If you haven't, what are you most excited about trying? Let me know in the comment section below. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.